The call for help from a St. Charles County family. The state of Missouri demanding they repay $12,000 in unemployment overpayments. And now they've had a lien slapped on their house. Here is Fox News' Elliot Davis with tonight's You Paid For It.
Michelle Essary of St. Charles County is caught in a nightmare with the state of Missouri. She was laid off from her job with the St. Charles County School District when COVID hit and schools shut down. She received federal and state unemployment funds related to the pandemic. But a huge headache for Michelle and her husband, who have two small kids, when she got this letter from the Labor Department saying they were paid too much money. And while it wasn't her fault, the state wanted the money repaid, all $12,000 of it. That was bad enough. Things took a turn for the worse when they got this letter saying the Labor Department was slapping a lien on her St. Charles County home. A letter that even threatened to garnish their wages.
It's got me feeling like I don't know really where to turn or who to trust or what to do. There's no light at the end of the tunnel.
I know that it would cripple our family for a long time to have to pay back $12,000.
This St. Charles family is not alone. Missouri has overpaid some 46,000 people to the tune of some $150 million. Legislation recently passed the Missouri House of Representatives by a vote of 157-3 to not go after citizens for the money. The issue now goes to the Senate, where there's an effort by some to forgive both the state and federal money overpaid. But there's a hang-up. Governor Parson said he wanted the money paid back. He may be softening some on getting back the federal money, but not the state funds.
It was hurtful to hear his thoughts and opinions on our situation and where we are.
I made calls to the Missouri Labor Department about the couple's plight and got back this email saying the department does not comment on individual cases. We are currently looking into this claim. A week later, a small victory for this St. Charles family. The lien was lifted after You Paid For It and her state rep got involved.
I feel a little bit more hopeful knowing that somebody out there cares, that there are people that are here to support us and help us through this.
So even though the lien has been lifted from the family's home, they're still on the hook for the $12,000 in overpaid funds. I called Governor Parson's office. I didn't hear back. Maybe you'll have better luck. So why don't you call the office of Missouri Governor Mike Parson? Here is that number. Area code 573-751-3222. Of course, we'll give you that number on our website, foxnow.com, where you can leave your tips and tell me what you think. After all, you paid for it.